Today unboxing is a huge one. It's the Tomica Nissan Racing Team Nismo Pit Playset. Unlike other Tomica regular playset, this is the Nismo exclusive, available at the Nismo Festival held this month, and also on Nissan online shop in Japan. Just like all other Nismo packaging, it comes with a brushed metal background and also the Nismo logo against the carbon fiber stripe. Also, it comes sealed with a wrapper along with the Nissan Group barcode sticker. On the outer box, you can see that the Nismo Pit is quite impressive and looks huge. For function wise, it's quite basic. You are able to push the button to trigger the Tomica to roll, and you are also free to configure the parts in any way you want. Behind the box, you can see the assembly instruction, which is quite basic for an adult collector. All the parts come individually wrapped, sealed in a wrapper. Also included is some paper assembly, which I'm going to skip it, and also a decal sheet to apply onto the playset. I shall now assemble the playset, which I guess will be pretty fast. Assembly is very simple, including the application of those decals. It's about roughly 15 to 20 minutes. The 2019 Nismo GTR is not included in the playset. If you missed the unboxing video for this GTR, you can always click on the card above. Function wise, it's very simple. Just push on the button to trigger the Tomica to roll. Your Tomica is able to perform a drop stunt as well at such a steep angle with a push on the button. I guess the size is quite appropriate for a playset. I can display several Tomica at one go on this playset. Although the push and go button is very simple, the proportion for this Nissan Racing playset will definitely look great in diecast photography and also to display alongside with other Tomica playset. More Tomica unboxing videos coming right up. This Tarmac Works Porsche RWB 930 is a random giveaway to my subscribers who actively comment, like and share my videos in this channel. I will pick the lucky subscriber in the beginning of 2020. So be sure to subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.